definitely is. And you know what? Later on, the Yankees and Mariners, they're supposed to be playing. It should be okay. Should be good. We're at a deficit, though, in the rain as well as the temperature category. So we are expected to change that. Well, we'll start off with the temperatures, right? Temperatures are struggling to get to seasonable norms today. We're in the 60s right now. We dropped a degree within the last hour or so. Today's highs, upper 70s. Slightly below average. Overnight temperatures, upper 50s, low 60s. Satellite and radar dry conditions. Noticing a little bit of convergence. It usually leads to that rising air that could materialize into a few showers mainly north of the city. Otherwise, we're dry. There's that trough indicative of the potential lift in the atmosphere. This area of low pressure will eventually work its way north once we get rid of that blocking pattern later on in the week. So that dome of high pressure will be entrenched, staying dry today mainly, and then tomorrow mixture of sun and clouds, but late tomorrow night into Thursday. So figure for that Thursday morning commute, allow extra travel time. I'm noticing some heavy downpours at around the 9-10 o'clock hour, just to give you an idea. Also, there is a potential for severe weather that is always on the table. We'll have more on that as we get closer, but there could be some thunderstorms embedded in these cells and some really strong gusty winds. It stays unsettled right through Saturday, and even Sunday the threat remains. 1 to 2 inches when all is said and done, a little less further east because most of what we're going to be seeing is that easterly flow. Because the winds are coming out of the east, it'll provide a little bit more of that stable layer. And things are heating up in the tropics. This is Tropical Storm Brett, and not too far behind there is a cluster of showers and storms. This wave could actually develop into another system, and if that does happen, that'll be Cindy. Taking a look at the track, right now, maximum sustained winds 40 miles per hour. Just before it reaches the Western Antilles, there could be resurgence. It could be a little bit of a strengthening, could be a Cat 1, but it'll be short-lived as it continues over the Caribbean Sea. We can notice a little bit more of shearing happening, which means that may lose a little bit of steam, but the water temperatures are really warm. So we're paying close attention to that, and weather conditions are going to be conducive to allow any further strengthening. Right now, taking a look, temperatures will be struggling a bit. We'll be in the 70s, mainly struggling to get to 70 on Thursday, where we get showers and storms, and it stays really unsettled as we head into the latter part of the week, into the weekend. The humidity will also be an issue, so that warm summer-like humidity will be in play as temperatures become a little bit more on the seasonable side.